Hi, my name is Matei and I'm a PhD student working to optimize the value chain execution at Sjørring Maskinfabrik in collaboration with PDM Technology and Force Technology. Sjørring has lately received much attention following the successful digital integration of their engineering and sales operations, which enabled fast company growth. However, a new challenge has emerged. It is tough to program welding robots. This is a common problem for the metal fabrication industry, where the products vary from order to order. The consequences of the problem are low utilization of robots and overwhelmed robotics engineers. Although many have attempted to solve this problem, their solutions address only some parts of the equation. So we took the matter into our own hands by adopting a holistic approach to how data is processed along the value chain to automatically end up with a welding robot program. The engineers already annotate technical drawings with weldment-related data. So we extract that product-related data and we use it to adjust process-related variables. Afterwards, the product process data can be used to automatically generate collision-free welding paths for the welding robot. Things might sound easy so far, but migrating from virtual models to reality, where nothing is perfect, is quite tricky. Therefore, we will use a complex system of polarization cameras and lasers to detect the welding seams. The robot program is then adjusted automatically based on the precise location of the welding seams. Then the product is welded together and the cameras perform at the end quality inspection. The result is fast programming of welding robots, increased utilization of resources, and the robotics engineers can be reallocated to development tasks. A proof of concept has already been put together and demonstrated successfully at Aalborg University and NTNU, completing therefore a design science cycle composed of development and validation. In the following cycle, Force Technology will scale up the proof of concept and test it on various welding procedures. Meanwhile, I'm collaborating here at NTNU to integrate the cameras in our pipeline and make sure the robot can see where it welds. In the final cycle, we will have PDM Technology integrate the artifact in their PLM ERP platform and distribute it to anyone involved in steel fabrication and eager to improve their digital maturity and automate their value chain. Thank you so much for your attention.